Hello there, my name is Ollie from Vans. Today I have for you the 2021 Ford Transit caged Dropside tipper. Now this one here does come to you with 25,000 miles on the clock, and as you can also tell, this is also a crew cab, meaning this does come with 7 seats. So for driver convenience, this does also come with Bluetooth, hands-free cooling and voice assist, as well as radio and heating in there, a 6-speed manual transmission, and there's 7 cloth line seats for you and your whole team. Now just to show you the cage section, all the 3 sides do drop down, pulling up these levers. I will just show you the back one for the sake of time. So nice and simply, they do just come up and drop down. As well as this, the cage does also come apart as well. Just pop them back together for now. Now, as well as this, these sides are completely removable, which can be done by pulling this tab here, which I'm not going to do now because otherwise everything will fall off, and I have a camera in my hands. Now I will just show you the front just here. As you can see, we do have the control panel just here. This will only work when the handbrake is up. So turned it on, it is on. As you can see, just with a simple pull of the lever, it does start to go up. So this van does come to you with 25,000 miles on the clock, which for a vehicle from 2021 is pretty good. And if you would like to find out more about this caged crew van Dropside tipper, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. The link is in the description below, or if not, you can always head over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more about this and many, many more of our vehicles, commercial vehicles, tippers, drop sides, caged vehicles, vans, and so on and so forth.